Hi, I'm Grant. I'm the training officer with Syndeticom, and this is our training facility out at our Western Sydney office. Out here we'll cover everything from teaching a new apprentice an overview of the communication industry and what they can hope to expect, right through to ribbon splicing and everything in between. What out here, they'll be taught how to bend conduit, how to manufacture tees and bends in communications basket, and how to make proceesses which will ultimately form part of a gantry. They'll be shown about fixings and applications and the tools needed to perform those tasks. Over here we have a wall where the boys can be taught how to mount outlets on the wall and acoustic boxes. They can also learn how to mount a screen or a sound bar on a wall, where they have the added bonus of being able to swing the wall open to get an idea of typical construction of a gyprock wall, so they can in turn get a better understanding of a suitable fixing to be used. Over here they get taught about the different types of comms cables, from UTP to STP, the difference in the manufacturing and their advantages. They also learn about the different categories. They learn about the different types of fibre, from tight buffered, indoor-outdoor, to loose tube fibre. Over here is where the boys will learn to terminate correctly a variety of different vendors' cables and jacks in order to prepare them to be more efficient when they get to site. Over here is where we learn everything that's fibre related, from field terminations to dressing fibres in a phobot, single core splicing, right through to ribbon splicing and ribbonising. Out here the boys will be taught how to set up projects, testing parameters, setting references, etc. on fibre and copper testers. Out here we have a number of racks that were designed to emulate your typical comms room scenario. Out here the boys will learn how to patch within a rack or between racks using designated cab ties and switch ties that have been installed. They'll also learn how to dress, loom and terminate a patch panel while inside the rack. We also have the added bonus where we can mirror a customer's rack to their specifications in order to train our boys in advance so that when they get to site they can hit the job running.